Hi, and how are you all today? Let us discuss the following question. It says, where will the hands of a clock stop if it starts at 12 and makes half of a revolution clockwise, starts at 2 and makes half of a revolution clockwise, starts at 5 and makes 1/4 of a revolution clockwise, and start at 5 and makes 3/4 of a revolution clockwise? Now, for this, we need to know what 1/4 of a revolution, 1 second of a revolution, and 1/4 of a revolution means. So, we'll be proceeding on with our solution one by one. For the first part, it says it starts at 12 and makes half of a revolution. Now, we know that half of a revolution consists of 360 degrees. So, if we convert them in the lowest term, we have that it makes an angle of 180 degrees. Right? So, 180 degree means number of hours. 180 degree, it will always get divided by 30 degrees if we are converting the degree into hours, and it comes out to be 6 hours. So, if we have a clock and we are starting with 12, after 6 hours, where will be our hand clock stop? It will stop at 6, right? So, we have the answer as from 12 to 6, it will stop at 6. This completes our first part. Proceeding on to the second part. Now, here it starts at 2 and makes half of a revolution clockwise again. That means half into 360 degrees, which again comes out to be 180 degrees after simplification. Number of hours will be 180 degree divided by what? Exactly 30 degrees. It will be 6 hours again. And now let's see, if we are starting from 2, after 6 hours it will be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be at 8, right? So, our answer to the second part will be from 2 to it will stop at 8. Further, it starts at 5, makes 1/4 of a revolution now. That means 1/4 of means multiplied by 360 degrees. 360 is the degree converted into 1 revolution, and here we have 90 degrees. So number of hours will be 90 degrees divided by hand clock turn in 1 hour, that is 30 degrees. So we have 3 hours. Starting with 5, after 3 hours it will be 1, 2, 3 again at 8. So from 5 in 3 hours it will stop at 8 once again. So this is the answer to our third part. Proceeding on with the last and final part. Now here it starts at 5, makes 3/4 of a revolution, that will be 3/4 into again 360 degrees. This is the turn that the hand hour turns in 1 revolution. Let us simplify it. 3 multiplied by 90 gives us 270 degrees. Now number of hours will be 270 divided by 30, that is 9 hours. Now after 5, count 9 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will stop at 2. From 5 in 9 hours it will stop at 2. Right. So this was how we found out our required answer. I hope you enjoyed the session. Do remember the steps which you need to follow. First of all, you need to know what fraction of a revolution is given to us, then convert it into degrees. Find the number of hours that are taken place in these number of degrees, and then from the starting point count the number of hours that you are covering, and you'll easily get at what time will you stop. So just follow these simple steps and you'll get your required answers. Bye for now.